Good morning, everybody. Mike from Phantom Voices ITC Research. I have the Majority Ghost Box and the Nokia 2760 flip phone. Going to do a little session. If there's any positive spirits that'd like to come through and have a little chat with me this morning, please feel free to do so. Negative spirits, please stay away. So my turn on will be on FM. Gotta let it warm up a minute.
Now is
There any spirits that'd like to come through the Majority Ghost Box and have a little chat? Can you tell me your name? Gary? Gary, how many spirits are with you right now?
our veterans of wow.
Wow. Does that mean a lot? Yeah. So how many is a lot?
Possible by American public. Gave you one song.
One? Well, just you then. So it's you and somebody else. Okay. Are you from heaven, earth, limbo? What dimension are you from?
Maybe she feels like
Okay, we'll go to FM. AM.
calling what it being 20 points down. Continue to provide freeway on home.
So are you from, do you know what realm you're from? Do you know how you passed away? And where did you pass away? Chinese, like China? Do you guys like speaking through the Majority Ghost Box? You know my name? Thank you for coming through. Have a good morning.
Spirits would like to come through the military home. Can you tell me your name? Gary?
Yes.
Gary, how many spirits are with you right now?
Our veterans of wow.
Wow. Let me know why. Yeah. So how many is a lot?
Possible by American public. Gave you one song.
One? Just one. Let's go see and somebody else.
We sure.
Okay. Heaven, earth, limbo, what dimension are you from?
Maybe she feels like
So are you from, you know, around here from?
I know.